Another very powerful video for OSINT investigators. So nowadays there is a very big problem for the companies, for the corporate, for the law enforcement. Everyone is facing the same problem, right? What if you have a domain? You might face a type of squatting. For example, there is Google, right? GWGLE.com. So the attackers might create a domain with G00LE.com. But how to find that part? This is very much critical. This is very much hard to find out. If there is any phishing domain, let's say GO@GLE, matlab domains provider are restricting all those things, but right now still there's a lot of thing which might impact your impression right now. So I'm going to tell you about a tool. I'm going to tell you about the technique, a tool. This is going to search for the domain using the wildcard, and this is going to be useful both for the phishing and typosquatting that I've told you right now. And investigators might get a benefit, and this is for finding subdomains and linked site as well. If there is any site which is related to your site, whatever site you are looking for, you will get. So this is, the tool is partially free but may work with a slight delay, right? So let me show you exactly what website it is, and let me show you with a demo. So this is called Merkle Map, right? Site is, so this is what we have. We can search out for google.com, right? Start subdomain searching. So you can see it's doing the wildcard search, right? And you can see a lot of domains which is like the lumini.site.google.com. Okay, this is a common name which was first seen on 2025. twist.0google.com. Okay, so this is a lot of things which might you can see related to the domains, right? So let us search this domain, what exactly it is. Okay, so there might be some project or something. Oh my god, we have found something. So you can report this vulnerability to Google. You might get some sort of finances as well. So this is what we have. This is how you can find type squatting, and there is a phishing domain which might bit common, right? So just check out this tool. This is going to help you a lot for domain investigations and all those things. Okay, and if you'll see any other facebook.com, then you might again see a lot of domains, like let's say www.facebook.com, right? Let's again check out this domain. Do we have anything here? Control C and then Control V. Yes, there is something. So this there's nothing, right? So you can see a lot of phishing domain might be related. So this is how you can help a company. You can improve your investigations, and this is going to help you a lot, right? If you want to export, you can export in CSV format, right? But this is going to charge you something. But anyways, you can directly control V you can do, and you'll easily get all those things. So that's what we have, and I hope you've learned something new, and you might subscribe for watching the same type of video that might help you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.